This is a 240 watt power supply upgrade for your old 220 watt Dell R8038 power supply. As you know, the R8038s are end of life now, so we had to come up with a power supply that could keep you guys running. This power supply has the same connectors as your old power supply, except it's got some extra stuff on it too. This has got a 20 to 24 pin ATX connector on it, a P4 connector. We've got, looks like three molex connectors. Of course, there's your floppy drive connector. And we've added a SATA connector as well. Your old power supply did not have SATA on it, or maybe some of you did have SATA. I've seen several different versions. But nevertheless, the devices that are coming out today are powered by SATA, and we figured that you would need SATA on whatever replacement power supply that you got for your system. No need to have to buy another power supply just because you need SATA. This power supply can do it for you. Now I have an old power supply here that was like the one that you're replacing, and as you can see, this little L shape right here is where your power supply slides up under the floppy drive or a CD-ROM. Some of you said you have a CD-ROM that it's got to slide under. We carefully selected this power supply because it does slide up under your floppy drives or whatever devices you got there. It's actually a tad bit shallower than your old one. So what we have here is a 240 watt upgrade to your original 220 watt R8038 power supply. This is also compatible with the MH300 power supplies that are a little bit taller. Due to how the mounting bracket is on the power supply, you're going to only use one screw to mount the power supply. We had to use fasteners in the place of the other two screws. Here's the power supply up against a MH300. As you can see, the MH300 is a little bit taller than this power supply, but the screw hole, the mounting screw hole, is still in the same spot. So you can still use this power supply for MH300 as well as R8038. That's the R8038 upgrade to 240 watts.